Yes!
Happy birthday, Marichi Marco Haranilla, and hi to Mao Otsuka and family from Dean Suarez.
And of course, it's time. It's time na po para pasalamatan natin ang nagpapakain sa atin. ASAP XC would like to thank Mr. Arnold Delgado of Dexys Catering, located at number 10, Corona Street, Brookside Hills, Subdivision Cainta, Rizal po yan. And of course, ang pambansang Lugaw, ang Lugaw Republic, and Aqua Best Mineral Water Perfection 2 Technology.
I would like to thank our designers kanina, yung mga binihisa nila mga stars. Sina Enrico Carrado, Regine Dulay, Jerome Ang, Lizan Kua, Osgo, and M. Barreto.
Yan ako, maaga pumasok sa atin yan ng mga designers at ang mga pamilya. Papalapit na talaga na papalapit ang Pasko. Kaya naman, maghanda na tayo ng pangregalo sa ating mga loved ones. Kaya naman, iniimbitahan namin kayo sa St. James Bazaar sa November 26 hanggang 29 po yan.
That's right, and this will all happen at the Cuenca Covered Court, Ayala, Alabang Village. You can shop from over 400 concessionaires and stalls. Happy shopping, kapamilyas!
Okay, from All Out Christmas Haven, we go to these love teams na nominated for Pop Viewers Twin Pop Season. Dyan, of course, ang Brett Z, Trivan, at Jom Lee. Hi, guys!
Thank you so much for voting for us, Kapamilya!
Thank you so much!
Please look for us later for our Prod All Your Pop Tweeners right here. We got Jam Lee, Brett Z, and Trivan!
Yes.
Alright, nakabangan niyo sila dahil mamaya pakikiligin nila kayo sa ASAP Center Stage. At from Love Teams naman to award winnings naman tayo. Bibigay namin sa inyo ang tatlo sa most influential OPM artists. Journey's Pinoy frontman, Arnel Pineda!
Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V!
And of course, the pride of the Philippines, the one and only Miss Lea!